Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to our video presentation for PHY210. The main subject for today's presentation is about fluids. We are going to discuss about three subtopics which are density and specific gravity, pressure in fluids, atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure. And this is our team, starting with Muhamad Hifzul Iman as our leader, Muhammad Shahrin Syahmil, Ikhmal Hisyam, and I myself, Muhammad Anas Bukhari. We are all from class AS120219.
Before we go through, I want to explain what is fluids. Fluid is a collection of molecules that are randomly arranged and held together by weak cohesive forces. Both liquids and gases are fluids. Fluid can flow and alter its shape to conform to the outline of its container. Now, the density. The density of an object is its mass per unit volume. To find the density is equal to mass over volume. SI unit for the density is kilogram per meter cube. Now, specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio between the density of an object and a reference substance. Usually, our reference substance is water. Density for the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. If specific gravity more than 1, the object sinks. If specific gravity less than 1, the object floats. And if specific gravity is equal to 1, the object neither float nor sink. It will hover in the liquid. This is the example to calculate the density and the specific gravity of liquid.
Now I will talk about pressure in fluids. What is pressure in fluids? The pressure due to the fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid divided by the area. The weight of the fluid is equal to its mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Example of item that using pressure in fluids. Brake is one of the example for item that using pressure in fluid mechanics. Now, what is brake? Brake is a mechanism that used in all kind of vehicle to slow down and stop the vehicle. Brake is a formation of several components which are brake pad, brake caliper and brake disc. Which industry need the brake? There are three industries that need the brake, such as automotive industry, aviation industry and manufacturing sector. The theory is based on Pascal principle, which enables the efficient transmission of force from the driver's input to the braking component at each wheel through the hydraulic pressure. This fundamental principle underpins the operation of hydraulic brake system in vehicles and other machinery where precise and reliable braking is required. And what is the history of braking system? The first disc brake was invented in 1902 by Frederick Wilhelm Lanchester, an English engineer, while the drum brake was patented by Louis Renault the same year. Other engineers, including Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach, had also experimented with drum brakes, but it was Renault's design was preferred. Point brake can be malfunction. Brake power might be lost to the problem. Common problem found which are worn brake pads and leaking brake fluids. And what's the solution? Commonly for problems such as worn brake pads, the only thing you can do is change the brake pads. And for leaking brake fluid, change the brake lining with the brake fluid to settle down leaking brake fluid problem.
Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the air above a surface. It is measured in units like Pascal and millibar. As you go higher in altitude, atmospheric pressure decreases because there is less air above you. This pressure affects weather. High pressure usually means clear sky, while low pressure can bring clouds and rain. It also impacts activity like cooking and breathing at high altitude. At sea level, the standard atmospheric pressure is about 1013.25 millibars or 101.325 kilopascal.
Next, I'm going to talk about gauge pressure. Gauge pressure refers to 1 atmosphere and is the pressure actually shown on the dial of a gauge with excess of atmospheric pressure. Next, gauge pressure. The pressure due to the liquid alone at a given depth depends only upon the density of the liquid P and the distance below the surface of the liquid H. P gauge equals to PGH.
That's all for our video presentation. I am sorry for any deficiency. I, as the representative for our group, want to thank you for spending your time with us. All the good things come from Allah and all the bad things come from us. That's all from me. Goodbye.